Hello, so let's have a look at what has been happening here. Over here, you could see that I shorted the market. So as the market has been falling, I enter trades, I exit. I enter trades, I exit. So this is the best part about market crashes in our crypto world, because it crashed all the time. And now you could see like I took really small trades. And this is the last few days. This is like 10 days in this account. I took 6 trades that were winners and 2 that I broke even. The reason why I'm breaking even on these trades is because I enter, and as I'm in a bit of a profit, I put a stop loss there in case it goes up. But if it hits my stop loss, I just re-enter. So I'm not losing anything, I'm not making anything. It's like a nothing trade. Okay, so BTC to CAD, you want to do Canadian for our Canadian friends. So 574. Just write that down for you. Let's take 0.125. It's 1,200 almost. My other trade. And mind you, this is in Bitcoin. While Bitcoin is under 70, so 69,700. It would be more if Bitcoin was up here at 76, which it reached. But it doesn't matter. It's what it is now. If I sold it now, but mind you, I'm not selling it now. 670 on this trade. 0.32919. And here, that's USD. Let's do it all in Canadian. Okay, so if I sum it up, that's 5,888 on very small little trades, but I'm using leverage. Okay, now leverage over here, if I'm doing 10x or 5x, 10x is easy to calculate. Basically, if I'm trading with $1,000, it's like we're actually trading times 10. So 1,000 times 10 is $10,000. So even though you're trading with a little bit of money, when you add leverage to it, it's like you're trading with more money. And no, you're not borrowing from the website as in you're going to owe that. If you put $1,000 on the trade, the most you could lose is $1,000. I've heard people claim that then you owe the website like $10,000. That's not true. You don't owe the exchange anything. It's just what you put down is what you put down. Now, is this more higher risk than trading on spot or trading without leverage? Yes, but the money's good and that's why people do it. And when you know how to do it properly and you know the risk management, it's not as bad as you think as long as you follow the rules and do it right. Okay, so close that here. As you can see, these are very small. So if I go here to the 1 hour chart or even the 1 minute chart, so much can happen in a minute. If you think about each of these candles being worth 1 minute, 60 seconds, look how much can happen in 1 minute. If I was watching this all day, every day, I could enter so many more trades, but I'm not watching this all day, every day. But look, this is 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. And you can see how the market goes up and down every minute. So not just every week it does this, every hour it does this, and every minute it does this. So you could be trading, making money on these crashes, making money on these pumps. And you can see here, I entered high, I exited low. So this is a crash, this is another crash, 73K Bitcoin, 73,600, 73,200. That's not a lot of movement. That's like a $500 movement on Bitcoin. I made 0.125 Bitcoins here. That was 1,196 Canadian dollars. And look at this, 74,259 to 73, 0.3 Bitcoins, 0.03 Bitcoins, which was $2,919, almost $3,000. For what? For watching Bitcoin fall, for watching it fall from 74,500 to 73,000. And then I even watch it fall. I just set this, set and forget. I set it so that when it falls to 73, take my profit because I don't want to be watching it. I could, but I didn't want to. Okay, so do you understand how powerful this can be when this becomes your job? Because I know people that this is now their job. Some of my students, this is all they do. Some of my friends, this is all they do. I go meet them around the world and we trade from cafes. Look, where are we at? What's next? If you want me to teach you this, let me know.